Hello, my dear foodies. Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today, we will be making whipping cream. I will teach you the perfect tips and tricks on how easily you can make whipping cream at home, which is used in making cakes, cupcakes, and many desserts. So, watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Firstly, we need a chilled bowl and chilled beater blades, which I have kept in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. I have placed ice cubes under the bowl to keep it chilled. Next, the whipping cream must be chilled too. Now, we will start whipping the cream with a slow speed. And then gradually increase the speed. Chilled cream and bowl helps in generating air pockets while beating. These keep the cream fluffy for a long time and doubles up its volume. Now, I will increase the speed and beat it for a minute till we get the soft peaks. This cream is used for making ice creams and puddings. Now you can see the stiff peaks. This is perfect for icing cakes, cupcakes. Once the cream is ready, it won't fall down even if it is tilted. This is a perfect consistency we need. It's not falling at all. It's silky smooth in texture. You must also note to not overbeat the whipping cream. Now, I will show you how to pipe the whipping cream. I have filled the piping bag with the whipping cream. You can see that it is coming out smoothly. The texture is absolutely perfect and so is the stiffness. So this is how you can make the perfect whipping cream at home easily. Now I will show you more designs we can make using this whipping cream and the nozzle. Also, I am going to share some of the tips which are very important to prepare the whipping cream. Use only whipping cream which has a high fat content of 33 to 40% and not fresh cream. Remember to store the leftover whipping cream in the freezer and not in the fridge. I have used Tropolite High Trop, which is a dairy-free whip. So I have not added any sugar as non-dairy whipping cream is sweet. I have used electric beater. If you don't have this, you can use whisker. It will take more time, but you can whip the cream. Remember to use chilled bowl, chilled blade, and chilled whipped cream. I am sure if you follow all the procedure I have shown, you are definitely gonna get the perfect whipping cream. So don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye.